Tom Parker's widow Kelsey reflected on her grief today as she shared a poignant poem, a week after the wanted star's funeral. The 32-year-old appears to be struggling to continue following the death of her husband and turn to the heartfelt piece, from Donna Ashworth's "I Wish I Knew," for words of encouragement. 4. Tom Parker's wife Kelsey shared a touching poemCredit, splash. 4. Kelsey shared this poem. It reads, "Grief may feel like the dying of the soul, while the body still lives, but you are alive, my friend. And they are not, nor do they want you be with them yet. They very much want you to live. Do not fear the grief you feel, it's just love thrashing around, looking for somewhere to go. So give it somewhere to go." Last week, the mom of two broke down in tears as she bid farewell to Tom at his funeral. Kelsey described her husband as her soulmate during his eulogy. Speaking to those saying their goodbyes, Tom's widow shared anecdotes about how the pair met in a club. The couple got together before he shot to fame, with Kelsey saying in a pre-recorded message, "From that moment I told everyone I wanted to marry Tom Parker. Tom told me he was going to be famous and wouldn't have time for a girlfriend, but he wouldn't leave me alone. I will treasure every memory because life with you was never dull. You were always coming up with songs, new game shows, and we all know how much you loved an invention. I bet you were gutted you never made it on Dragon's Den. Marrying you was the best day of my life. Soulmates, that's what we are." The singer died last month aged 33 after a brave battle with an inoperable brain tumor. He leaves behind two children, Aurelia, 1, and Bodhi, 2. 4. Kelsey is now raising their two children alone following his death. Credit, Instagram/being_Kelsey. 4. Kelsey has been coming to terms with her lost credit, Rex. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.